Easy. What is going on today? I'm super pumped, absolutely buzzing for it, because something that I've been trying to plan out for the last few weeks, maybe a month, it's been a while, has come in. We have got the PS here, and we've got it out of storage because there's one thing that we need to do for it, and it was delivered this morning all the way from the motherland, and I am super stoked. But what we need to do first is get the S15 out, get a jack out, and we'll leave it there. Alright, Lane. Oh, it's going to be tight. How do you see with all these stickers on? Or you just go, you might actually hit that car. Woo! Finally together, boys. Finally together. Oh yeah. We need this. Also, if you was wondering, guys, why does the PS sound so loud? The exhaust fell off. It didn't fall off. It was just broken. I took it off. Look how crusty it is. Here we are. And there's bird shit on it as well. How's that got there? Just outside, maybe a seagull just went. Can anybody guess what they are? You got any ideas? Ready? I hope you put your comment down below what you think they are. 3, 2, 1. Now, if you'd have guessed Body Club P1, you'd be right. Hello, Mr. Paint. I'll have to come back to them. This is way too exciting for paint. I'm sick of paint. Ooh, at least that won't snap. Nice. First of all, Mr. Grant, I'd like to apologise because I always have a go at you. Grant, boy, you've got so many wheels. They're everywhere. We've got no space. Some more wheels to the stockpile collection. That means I have 6. Let's not go into it. But need to make a couple of changes. That's all I'm going to say. Obviously, you already know the coilovers are on, so we can fix that. I think I'm going to need to put a bit of a spacer on the front, get a slightly smaller tyre. I think we might be about there, boys. Are you ready? In 3, 2. 2021, let's start it right. I'm so happy right now. I really am. Can't even get my words out.
I mean, I've just done a job, stopped to do a job on rents and everything for the end of the month. It's 2 weeks up at Christmas, made a dent.
Yeah, that's it, it all hurts, don't it?
Yeah.
Nah, it's the same one as the... He's just got new wheels on it. It's been sat at my house for months. Well, the real question is, now it's all cleaned, look at that, looks like a different car. sort of. Will it start? The battery is flat, so we might need to put the bumper back on. Just remember that. Battery's dead. Good. Turn it on. 92%. I've already jump started it today. Sweet. Get the boot. If you didn't know, I did jet wash the boot as well. Bit of rust. This shell is an absolute nail. See if we've got a squealing belt now. And I did just jet wash the thing no day. Oh, sweet. Fixed itself. Nissan for you. So today can't really be all about the Ps13 because the Civic is still the main project at the moment. But now the bumpers are done. I'm going to fit the rear bumper. Now this isn't the final fit at the moment, so I'm just going to get it on because what I don't want to do is have it lying somewhere and when I paint the doors and the bonnet it's going to get covered in crap. So if it's on the car and it's covered, it's out the way. So that's what I'm going to do next. There's the bolts. And then there's two underneath and there is two here, but I'm not putting them two in because I've made the conscious decision that that's where they rot, so I'm not doing it. I might put some rubber pad in there stopping them rubbing together, but that's as far as I'm going to go with it. If you don't like it, it's absolutely freezing now. I'd like to say hello to Rich. How you doing, mate? He's just dropped us a few little goodies off. Look at that for a wing. This is off some sort of Nissan Coupe. It's his old wing, he's put a new one on now. And I said, I'll put it on the wall. Might put it somewhere, I have no idea. We love decorations, you know what I mean? Bit of character. And then also, he gave us like a pressed JDM plate, which is also pretty cool. Thank you very much, Rich. Cheers for coming. But, back to the good stuff. The bumper is on. The bolts. One there, and there, one, there. They're all in. Lined it all back in. Nicely. It's looking sick. Oh, it's locked. Not anymore. And then same with the front bumper. It's just resting on with a couple of these just finger tight in. Need to do a bit of fettling. But I've got all the bolts. There are two there for underneath, then 5 there, and then we'll get the clips in there when we're ready. But because I've got to put the doors on, I can't leave the wings bolted on. You know the deal. Got to put the doors on, then got to put the wings on, then got to put the bumper on. Then we should be sweet. But it's absolutely Baltic now. Look at that. Nice. Ooh. With this bumper paint, just painted the bolts with it because that was just looking a bit green and we wanted them black. Just looks nice. You know what I mean? But I think that is going to be it for today. It's been a good one. If you remember, well, it's been a full day for me. But we've got the Buddy Club P1s. The car is looking fresh. We give it a good clean front to back, top to bottom. We use the snow foam with some fairy liquid. If you was wondering, guys, why is your frothy so frothy? Fairy liquid, mate. No protection on that car, so there's no need to really worry about the degreaser. But other than that, oh, it's freezing. I'm going to lock up now. I'm going to get the car in, get the S15 in. I'm going to put the PS back into storage, and I'll catch all of you on the next one. Cheers for coming. See you in a bit.